Dude, this is your present under here. Hurry. Come in.
Hurry.
Come see what you got.
Hurry, go open it, Landon.
Come on, come look at your present, dude.
It's from Nani and Papa.
Open it. Take your nanites off. See what it is. What's under your nanites? It's your present. What is it?
Look at this.
What is it? It's a garbage truck.
Oh, the batteries are it's
For mommy.
Landon, look at the camera. What'd you get?
What is it?
Look at mommy and tell me. What is it?
What happened to the Bowie?
Come here, Landon. Here. Come here. Lexi, watch out. Lexi, go. Lexi.
What happened?
It's okay, Lex.
Choose
a
category.
You like the garbage truck?
Wow!
Choose a
Watch out,
category.
Lex.
Push it in. Lexi.
Scoop that. That's Landon's toy. You play with yours, honey. Okay?
Lexi, you can come over here and see if you want to, honey.
Choose a category.
Whoa.
You want Daddy to take him out?
Choose a category.
Hey, look at me.
A category.
Do you like it? Hey. Do you want me to take it out for you?
No.
No? You just want to play with it like this?
Landon, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say thank you, Nani and Papa.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Say thank you, Nani and Papa. Okay, let me take it out for you.